Hey, you've got one Tecumseh carburetor. Most of them will have a hidden jet. It's for your idle circuit. It's going to be behind this plastic piece here. You just use a pick to get it out. Sometimes it can be a little finicky. Yeah, there you see. Actually, you don't need this. There you go. And what it reveals, there is a jet there. So what you do, sometimes you need to clean this out. If it's surging a little bit, you're gonna need to clean it out. So what you do is you take a flathead screwdriver. This is a fixed jet. You cannot. You see, you cannot. And there's your idle speed jet. Let me see if I can. Yeah, this is your idle speed jet. There, and then there's a real small hole there. You need to clear that out. You need like a wire from a bristle brush and some carb spray. Just clean it out, put it back. But also, when you stick the straw of your carburetor cleaner spray, put it in there and spray it to clean out in there. This particular lawnmower was surging, and it would, and by doing this, that helped it to resolve its idling surging issues. And then after doing that, I had to reset the high. Let me see here. The turtle and fast speeds. I have another video on that. I will link it in here. But this is if you've got this problem on a Tecumseh carburetor, it could be on a snowblower or snow thrower. Same thing. They've got this idle speed jet that's here, and it's really easy to get out. Just need a flathead screwdriver and a pick to get off the cover, and to put it back in. It's literally just screw. Well, you just screw it back in. And if you want to, you can put the plastic cover on it. You don't have to.